In this video, I'll show you how to add payment method on Binance. This video is only for educational purposes only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you in this video. Open your Binance. What you need to do, you can see there's this small Binance icon at the top right. So I'm going to click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to be able to see the settings option, right? So click on it, then the settings is going to open. Okay, if you followed what I told you now, this is what is going to come out, right? So if you scroll down, you can see the payment method. Can you see it? You can see the payment method here. So click on it. Right now, you can see my own payment method is currently added, right? So my payment method is currently added. So if you click on that, you're going to be able to, like if you click on that payment, that P2P payment method, you're going to be able to open the option where you can be able to add up your own payment method manually. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video.